Hi, my name is Daniel Tatarzyn. I'm a professor and the lead faculty of the ESOL department at Lone Star College-Kingwood. ESOL stands for English for Speakers of Other Languages and is often called ESL. The ESOL program offers a wide variety of classes for non-native English speakers who want to improve their ability to communicate effectively in English. Students in the ESOL program come from all over the world and they study with us for a variety of reasons. Many of our students want to improve their English to pursue a college degree. Others want to improve their English for work or to have better job opportunities. And many students just want to communicate more easily in their daily lives or be able to help their children with their homework. Whatever your motivation for learning English, our classes are designed to help adults of any age learn the English skills they need to achieve their goals. We have day and evening classes to accommodate your busy schedules. And our highly qualified teachers offer fun, dynamic lessons, and they love helping students improve their English. All you need to do is contact our ESOL advisors to begin the registration process. You'll complete a placement assessment to determine what level of classes is best for you, and then you can register. If you have any questions about the ESOL program or classes, please contact me at daniel.k.tatarzyn@LoneStar.edu. And to start the registration process, you can contact our ESOL advisor, Etha Jervis. We hope to see you in class soon. Take care.
Be sure to follow us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to be notified about our latest content.